Human nature is very often to take the comforts we are used to for granted. However, anything we experience is usually the result of hard work that someone has put into planning, designing, and then making possible. When you spend time in a building, pretty much like the one you are in now, you don't reflect too much about it, unless you experience something is wrong, like if it's too hot, not enough oxygen, too cold, or if the water has an unsatisfying level of pressure. Not to mention, if your smartphone would not charge when you plug it into the wall. We think about those things before you experience them. In fact, we work with it all the time. We are 6,000 people serving some 20,000 clients in over 100 different locations in Sweden, Norway and Finland, who makes up a turnover of around 1 billion euros. We do that by wholeheartedly designing, installing and maintaining technical systems for air, energy and water, and make them go as unnoticed as possible for the people who use them. Smart and sustainable installations by people for people. Assemblin. It's the inside that matters.